Hi guys, so sorry about the background noise, but today we're going to be doing a little bit of makeup destruction with my old makeup, and I figured people on YouTube really like this kind of stuff. I don't know why. I honestly kind of like it too, so why not? This is an old lipstick. I already attempted to do it where I just like smushed it. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm just so bored and this makeup's so old. Like it needs to go. So next we're gonna be doing this really old lipstick that I used to wear in high school every day. It's like a dark purple. It's almost black and it's like a cherry. It was beautiful and I was like going through a gothic stage. As you guys can see, it's like next is this Wet n Wild. I was debating on keeping this. It's kind of nice. Now we have a pink. It is also a cheap brand. It's NYC, which used to be my favorite. It's called... It's not focusing. Pinkalicious. It's almost like brand new because I honestly never used it. But it's pretty nice. Not gonna lie. But pink lipstick doesn't look good on me. I don't know why. It just doesn't. That's probably the most satisfying one that I did today. There's more. What? Oh, I gotta hold it. That was satisfying as heck. I feel so weird for doing this. I kinda wanna touch it. Why did I do that? And lastly, we're gonna do this really old MAC eyeshadow palette that I literally used to use in high school all the time. I used to use these shades. I never really used that shade because it's a bit out of my comfort zone. It's really bright and like, I don't know, weird. So we're gonna start by doing the pink shade. Ooh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, oh my goodness. Sorry guys, I'm so used to watching. Oh, it just like depopped itself. I'm so used to like other people doing this, so when I do it, it's just really satisfying. But I guess it's more satisfying. Let's watch. I don't want this to make a mess. Also, sorry if I sound really like low. This is supposed to be like an ASMR type of video, so I want it to be kind of relaxing in a way, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's this one. Let's do this purple shade next. I guess they easily depop because this is a really old palette, so yeah. I'll never use these eyeshadows again. And excuse my disgusting nails. My boyfriend already made fun of them. I really need to do them. I just, it's not been on my mind lately, but I really need to do them. They're horrid. I know a lot of people's pet peeves is chip nails, and my nails are all like, they chip so easy because I don't get them done. I do them myself most of the time. It's more affordable. Anyways, we are gonna do this shade now. Let's do something different. Oops. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm using a pencil, I didn't have anything else, so I figured pencil would be best. This one's not as powdery as the others. It's more hard. And last but not least, the white shade.
Stop focusing.
Oops. I don't want to make a mess. Okay, well, guys, it looks like this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup destruction video. If you guys did, let me know in the comments down below. And I will honestly make more ASMR type of videos because I know my first one got a lot of comments and a lot of like feedback and views. So if you guys like this, I will be sure to be doing more ASMR or makeup destruction type videos because I have a whole bunch of old makeup that I want to destroy. Sorry about the yelling in the background. I'm Portuguese and Portuguese people are so loud. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.